Here at Westfield Fountain Gate, this would be one of the largest rooftop solar systems on a shopping centre in Victoria. Being 2.8 megawatt, it is definitely on the larger scale. This system comprises of 6,182 450 watt panels, as well as 3,100 solar edge DC optimisers.
At Westfield's Fountain Gate, Iberdrola work with us to use our rooftop space to generate green electricity that helps run the centre. Centre Group is a responsible, sustainable business. We are committed to reducing the environmental impact and leaving a positive legacy for our communities. We have a target to achieve net zero Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2030 for our wholly owned Westfield destinations. One way to do that is generating solar energy on site at our centres, so we're always looking where that might be feasible.
The installation and the logistics of the installation for a shopping centre is a really challenging aspect.
Our destinations are open every day, so the teams needed to carry out the installation works without interrupting our customers.
We use a lot of different logistics tactics to get the panels up onto the roof, after hours, early mornings. We also conduct all the electrical works and electrical shutdowns to work in with the centre to make sure that we're not impacting on their day-to-day operations. So the system itself will generate 2.8 megawatts of renewable energy, which will then be fed into the centre's electrical ecosystem. This would reduce their baseload requirements and operating requirements substantially, as well as helping them achieve net zero targets that they have internally. Yeah, the outcome of the project is something Iberdrola Australia are really proud of. Delivering a system of this size on a shopping centre is a feat in itself, but the end product to the client, the outcome, is something we're really proud of.